Well, look at the clouds. We got some more stupid rain and stupid thunder and lightning and all that bull crap. I guess it's been like this since I come back from uh, Michigan. That's cool right there. And look, hopefully it don't start lightning while I'm out here filming this, cause yeah, see, it's even trying to rain and the sun basically right through there. But look at them clouds. How you got a clear spot and then see, that looks cool. That's cool. So yeah, especially that spot right there looks the coolest. The rest of it's okay. There's a clear spot right there. Right there. Look like it's clear back that way, but this way, no. Not so clear. Like and subscribe if you like the video.